welcome back. So let's start with scope of HRM. The scope of HRM reflects to all the activities that comes under HRM, human resource management. First one is HR planning. Human resource planning refers to the process by which the company identify the number of job vacant, whether the company has to access staff or shortage of staff, and to deal with this planning has been done. So this is in very simple language, you can easily understand this. Now second is job analysis design. Another important area of HRM is job analysis. It gives detailed information about each and every job. Third is recruitment and selection. Based on information collected from job analysis, the company prepare advertisements and publish them in the newspaper. दिस इज़ रिक्रूटमेंट. सो वो सिलेक्शन के लिए जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन भेजते हैं और फिर इंटरव्यूज़ लेते हैं. देयर इज़ अ प्रोसेस, और सिलेक्शन का जो प्रोसेस होता है उसे रिक्रूटमेंट कहते हैं. इंटरव्यूज़ आर कंडक्टेड एंड द राइट एम्प्लॉय इज़ सिलेक्टेड. फोर्थ वन इज़ orientation and induction. Once the employee has been selected and introduced with the company, or them orientation program is conducted, the employees are informed about the background of the company, explained about the organizational structure and values. Fifth point is training and development. Every employee goes under training program which helps him to put a better performance on the job. This is called refresher training, and this helps to enhance the qualitative and quantitative growth and performance. Okay, so अगर जब हमें ट्रेनिंग मिलती है, वी गॉट टू नो कि हमें कैसे काम करना है, कितना करना है, किस वे में करना है. सो ये हमारी परफॉर्मेंस को, ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज इन्हांस करता है, क्वालिटेटिव बनाता है उसको, और क्वांटिटेटिव बनाता है. सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल. This helps to assess the efficiency, strength and weakness of the employees. It helps the management in their decision making relating to promotion, pay hike. They may be rewarded if the employee meets standard. Okay, it's easy to understand. And seventh point is employee compensation. Performs the function of determining pay structure. So HRM HRM हैंडल एम्प्लॉय कंपनसेशन. तो उसका इसमें भी एक स्कोप होता है. तो वो डिसाइड करता है एम्प्लॉयज़ के फंक्शंस को, मतलब पे स्ट्रक्चर को, for different employees on the basis of their qualification, efficiency and experience. So हमें जब इंटरव्यू लिया जाता है तो these are some things which is been asked, and उसके accordingly हमें अपनी सैलरी वो बताते हैं. तो 8 point is employee welfare and motivation, and safety and health, industrial relations. So these are some points which is well enough when the this question comes in 4 marks, or usually with the if it come in 10 marks तो वो किसी के साथ जुड़ के आएगा, जैसे like objective of HRM and scope of HRM. तो this comes in like 10 marks, and if it's come like a scope of HRM तो वो 4 marks का आएगा. So इतना written information enough है. Thank you for watching.